Hey, what's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Zach, if it's your first time dropping in. So we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and its short-term price prediction in this video. We're going to talk about it. And here's the thing. We've been experiencing a nice, solid move upwards for the last 5 days for Shiba Inu. It all started back on June 21st. Right now, we're trading around the 11.81 zone. Slowly but surely, we are climbing. We're going to take a look at the 4-hour candlestick chart, and you're going to see a nice bullish trend forming. We're going to take a look at that and provide some price predictions as we roll into the new week. All of that coming up in this video. I'll be right back. Really appreciate you stopping back at the channel. Make sure you hit that like button here. You could see that's the volume down there in the blue right here. Check out the volume that started moving upwards here on the 21st. This is 5 days ago. Look at the volume before that. Relatively flat, relatively just kind of quiet, right? All of a sudden, look at this volume push, and it subsided for a little bit, and look at this. It's starting to build back up here as we roll into this weekend. And right now, obviously, June 26th, we're 5 days in, and we are still experiencing a nice price appreciation here over the last 5 days. Again, it started back here on June 21st. We were way down here in the low sevens not too long ago on the 18th. Okay, about 8 days ago. And these are 4-hour candlesticks. You could see still looking very bullish. Okay, this is the 20-day moving average, the yellow line here. Something we were watching for, okay? Something we were watching for was moving across the 50-day moving average. Well, Shiba Inu has done that. So we should see some more bullish price action here over the next 24 hours or so, as long as the overall crypto market hangs in there, at least stays flat. And we're going to get into that in this article right here. So Shiba Inu price analysis. SHIB continues to rise with the 1350 price target is in sight. Okay, so the price now trades around the 65% above the low point that we saw back on the 13th of June, with a shooting star pattern emerging on the daily price chart. So we can actually go over here and take a look at the daily. There you go. That's what our daily looks like. I really like that 4-hour view, though. You can really start to see what we've experienced over the past 5 days. Look at that. Just a nice, steady run up here for SHIB. Now, SHIB has been trending upward since the massive jump on the 21st that took price up to the 11.89 level before a little bit of a retracement, and then an extended continuation of the trend up to the 1437 would invalidate the bearish thesis. So if we got to the 1437, we'd break another line of resistance, essentially. Now, the price is at a 65% increment from low swings earlier in the month. And here's the big thing. It crossed that 50-day exponential moving average at the 1041 level. That is something we were talking about back on the 21st and 22nd because we had passed that 20-day and 30-day. We wanted to see it past the 50-day, and we have done that. So an ascend above the 1250 seems imminent over the next 24 hours, according to the technicals right now, but also indicates that seller pressure may be increasing. The 24-hour relative strength index is approaching deep into the oversold zone at 59.83. Okay, so if we scroll on down, it says if corrected, SHIB price could fall towards the 10 mark again. Again, currently right now, we are heading for that 12 mark. All of a sudden, turning green here at market open for SHIB. At the time of this recording, we are heading to the 12 mark right now as we're recording this video. Now, the bearish thesis could be invalidated. The bearish thesis that exists could be invalidated again if the price reaches that 1437 mark, and then we start looking at the 1850 mark to the upside, okay, which would record a 66% rise from the current SHIB price. So that is very bullish here in the short term for Shiba Inu. Of course, all of this hinges on the overall crypto market. If we take a look at the overall crypto market right now, we've got a market cap of $965 billion. We did cross over the $1 trillion mark briefly there We did dial it back here, but Bitcoin is still hovering right now at 21,000, and Ethereum still at 1251. We want to see Ethereum get to 1260. We are knocking on the door here. And if we can get to 1260 and stay there for a little bit, we've just been slowly climbing right now. If we can get to 1260 and stay up there, that would be a really bullish sign for Ethereum, a bullish sign for the overall market, and any ERC20 token, which, of course, Shiba Inu is that. So we are watching that very closely as well. And we shall see what happens here. In terms of the biggest movers here in the last 24 hours, we've got Steppen is up there, ApeCoin, Sandbox, one of my personal favorites, Gala, is up there as well, as it crossed over 7 cents momentarily yesterday. So that's what I've got for you here. We'll be continuing to watch the SHIB price, and things are looking relatively bullish here for SHIB in the short term. We will see what happens next with the price, and we'll be here to report. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. Have a fantastic Sunday, everybody. Enjoy it out there with friends and family, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.